Hey friends, today we're going to explore 16th notes. Woo, woo, woo. They're very exciting. And just so you know, 16th notes are typically faster because you have to squeeze 4 sounds into one beat. Whereas on a quarter note, you only have 1 sound for one beat. On 2/8 notes or a TT, you have 2 sounds for one beat. But with 16th notes, you have 4 sounds for one beat. Mind blowing, I know. So let's go. 16th notes equal faster syllables. Woo, woo, woo. Now, let's look at these 2 examples. The first example you see up there is obviously 4/4 time signature. That means 4 beats per measure, which you know. And so you see that the first measure is ti ti ta, tiri tiri ta. Let's just clap that together. Ti ti ta, tiri tiri ta. So you can see how fast the 8th notes are actually. So you have to be, really quick with those. Let's try it one more time. Ti ti ta, tiri tiri ta. Now, when you go into when you get into band, orchestra, chorus, etc., any advanced level music class past elementary school or even 5th grade or 4th grade, by 3rd grade I try to start also using numbers to help count because that's traditional counting rhythms, rhythmic notation. So you see at the bottom there, I have under the tas and TTs, I also have the counts because you should be able to do the counts as well. To count it, you would say 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. So let's do that together. Ready? 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Awesome. Okay, so if you're looking at the next rhythm pattern, it's almost exactly the same as the first one. There's a big difference though. Right in the middle, they flipped. So the second pattern goes like this. Ti, ti, tiri, tiri, ta, ta. So the tiri, tiri, and the ta switched or flipped on the second pattern. So let's do the second pattern. Ti, ti, tiri, tiri, ta, ta. Awesome. And how we count that is 1 and 2 and a 3, 4. Will you say that with me? 1 and 2 and a 3, 4. Awesome. All right. Now, below each of those patterns, I've put how they are different. Remember, I just told you the middle's different. These 2 rhythm patterns are flipped in the middle. They both start with TT and end with ta. So the first pattern that you see pulled down is ta, tiri, tiri. That's how it is in the first pattern. If you move over to the second pattern, you see that the middle is tiri, tiri, ta. So that's how, just taking 2 beats and flipping them, you create a whole different rhythm pattern. So let's do each one again. It goes like this. We'll say the numbers this time, the numbers or the count. Let's do the count. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. All right. Let's do that all together, please. Clap with me. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. Awesome. Good job. All right, now we're going to do the second pattern. Clap with me. 1 and 2. Ready, clap. 1 and 2 and a 3, 4. Perfect. Awesome. Way to go. All right, let's move on. All right, so here we're breaking down exactly what I mean when I say how many sounds per beat. So basically, 4/16 notes equals 1 beat. So when we break it down, 1 quarter note is 1 beat. 2/8 notes is 1 beat. And 4/16 notes is 1 beat. So all of those patterns, all 3, I'll say we're focusing on those 3. All 3 of those notes, or barred notes together, create 1 sound, 1 beat, not sound, sorry. They're all 1 beat. So again, a quarter note is 1 beat, 1 sound. 2/8 notes is 1 beat, but 2 sounds. 4/16 notes, 1 beat, 4 sounds. So quarter note, 1 beat, 1 sound. 2 eighth notes, 1 beat, 2 sounds. And 4 16th notes, 1 beat, 4 sounds. So, woo, crazy stuff. So, everybody got it? All right, now we're going to move on to the fun part where I have my little spinner. So just bear with me because I'll go in and out when the spinner spins because it has to go to a different location to finish the spinning. But here it says each box below represents 1 beat. Let's fill in the boxes to make 4 beats. So basically what you're seeing in front of you is of a diagram, basically. It's got 4 boxes. So the 4 boxes are representative of 1 beat. Now, like I just pointed out to you in the last slide, each of these patterns you see below, it's like our little note bank. Each note or notes equal 1 beat. So when you have the connected TTs, that's 1 beat. When you have the quarter note, 1 beat, and the 4 16th notes represent 1 beat. So all individually, they represent 1 beat. So we're going to do our spinner to create our own pattern. And then we're going to put the pattern on the next slide. Woo! If it all works out, we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to spin. You're going to get to another place, so I'm going to go away for a second. So we're going to click. Little music action. Woo! So it landed on the quarter note. Very good. Coming back, since it landed on the quarter note, we're going to take a quarter note and put it in this box. There's our first beat. Awesome. All right. Let's spin again. And eighth notes. Woo woo. So since we have 2 eighth notes, we're going to set it in there. Yeah. All right. Let's go back to our spinner. Woo woo. That's kind of fun. Oh yeah. 16th notes. Woo woo. All right. So then we're going to take our 16th notes. Going to stick them right there. Yeah. Our last round for the first rhythm. Woo. Could be any of these. Yeah. So much fun. Oh my goodness. 4 16th notes. All right. So we have another group of 16th notes to add. Love it. All right, kids. So here's our new pattern. Woo, 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 woo. I love technology. Well, sometimes. When it works. Okay, so let's look at it. We have a ta, a TT, and 2 tiri-tiris. So that's not too bad. So we'll say the syllable first just to make it easy. I'll demonstrate. I'll say it and then you can repeat after me. All right, so here's our spinner pattern. Here we go. Ta, ti, ti, tiri, 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 tiri. That's a lot of tiri-tiris. All right, you do it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, tiri, 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 tiri. Awesome. Woo, 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 woo. All right, so what we're going to do next is I'm going to copy this little guy, and I'm going to move him to the next slide, maybe. And we're going to put him in. So that's our first pattern. And we'll do it again here. Yeah. Our first spinner generated pattern. Yeah. All right, we'll just keep that one there. Let's go back. All right, let's click. Woo! Awesome. Our first beat is the 4/16 notes. Yeah. All right, let's put one of these guys up here. All right. We're going to move back to the spinner. Yeah. Now we have a quarter note. Woo woo. And I'm going to put this guy right here. Yeah. All right, back to the spinner. Woo. All right, we have a TT. Awesome. Do the TT right here. All right, so we have Tiri Tiri Ta TT Mystery. All right, let's do this. Woo! Oh yeah, 4/16 notes. And I'll put those right there. Ooh, that's a fun pattern, guys. All right, so look what we created. Some kind of fun. So hopefully you can think it in terms of tas and TTs and tiri tiris. And you can also say it in counting notation or do the counts, as we say. So I'll do the syllables. It goes tiri tiri ta, ti ti tiri tiri. And I'll say the counts. 1 enda, 2, 3, and 4 enda. All right, will you do the syllables with me and clap that pattern, please? Here we go. Oh, we're doing the syllables. Sorry. Here, 1, 2, ready, go. Tiri, tiri, ta, ti, ti, tiri, tiri. All right, now let's do the counts. Will you clap with me, please? Ready, go. 1 enda, 2, 3, and 4 enda. Awesome. Woo, woo. All right, so we'll put that pattern on the next page. Let's see, copy. Paste. And just to save time, since we know that the last one is also a tiri tiri, might as well put that one in too as a little time saver. Move this guy up. There we go. All right, so let's go back. And we have a ta. So I'm just going to copy. Boop. Paste Mr. Ta right there. Let me move this guy over a little bit. You want to try, friends, to line up each beat. Sometimes it works better than others. Like, see how these are lined up? Music's very symmetrical, very mathematical, so it wants it to look nice and neat and tidy. All right, and our next, I believe the next one is a TT. Am I right? Yes, so we'll copy. And we'll paste. Whoops, I'm going the wrong way. Right here for the next pattern of our random spinner generated patterns. Love it. Hey, let's do another pattern. We're going to go with 4 patterns, so don't worry. We're not that far away. All right, so here we go. Going to click on our little fun friend here. So he has all of them in there to start. Love it. Fun music. First beat. TT. Woo woo. Yeah. Let's put our TT in there. Whoop whoop. All right. Let's go to our spinner again. Woo. And we get, all right, another TT. Woo woo. All right. Another TT. Oh my goodness. That's so crazy. I know. All right. So now let's see what we get. Spin. I love spinning. That's so fun. Yeah, we have, looks like a teary. 4/16 notes. All right. Let's add our teary. And let's see what the wheel has for us this time. Woo woo. It's so much fun. Uh-oh. Another teary. Yeah. That's so much fun. Let's stick teary dude in here. Woo! Yeah. All right, so guess what? This is a really fast pattern. Woo! All right, so I will say it, and then you say it with me. I'll use syllables first. Remember, it's 4 beats per measure. So here it goes. T, teary. Will you say that with me? T, teary. Woo, woo. Let's put the counts in. I'll go first. 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and a. Can you say that with me? All right, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and a. Woo, woo, woo. Awesome. So it shouldn't take too long to copy and paste this pattern over to the next one because we have 2 of these. And then we have 2 tearies. So what I'm going to do, let's move this. All right, so these need to line up though. Here, yeah. All right. So now, guys, we have 3 of our 4 patterns, all from a generated spinner. Love it. Yeah. Okay, let's go back and see what we get this time. Scoot. All right, friends, here we go. Love the music too. All right, the spinner likes tearies or 16th notes. Yeah. All right. So let's grab our 16th notes, put them in. Very good. Let's go back to our wheel. Give it a spinny. See what happens. Yeah. Uh-oh. Man, by a smidgen. That was awesome. A ta by the smidge. Ta by the smidge. All right. Yeah, I'll take you. Right here. Woo, woo. That was just so close. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. It's getting exciting. Oh, I knew it had to be a TT. Right. TT. Ooh, I like this one already. Let's see what happens on the last one. It could be anybody. Could be any of them. And it's the quarter note. Woo woo. Love it. Okay, friends. So we actually ended on a ta. That's amazing. That's our first ta to end on. Ta's kind of a good, I'll be honest, ta's a good pattern, a good note to end on because it kind of finishes it and you don't feel like it's fast and a little scattered. So this is actually a really good pattern for us. And the last one, it makes it even better that we end on a ta. So I'm not going to lie, that's a good thing. So we're going to go to the next slide and add our pattern. Let me see, it's teary ta, ti ta. Oh, we got to go over this thing. All right, let's do it. I'll go first and then you can clap with me. All right, here we go. I'll say the syllables first. Teary ta, ti ta. All right, you guys do that with me, okay? Here we go. Teary ta, ti ta. Awesome. All right, now let's put in the counts. I'll go first. 1 E and a 2, 3 and 4. Awesome. All right, can you do that with me? Ready, go. 1 E and a 2, 3 and 4. Awesome. Way to go, guys. All right, now we can put our pattern in there. Paste. Yeah. All right, so, that one's a little high. All right, here we go. So now we have our 4 spinner generated patterns. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. That is awesome. I know, it's amazing. So measure 1. I'm just going to go through all of them really quick. Measure 1, 1, 2, and 3 E enda, 4 E enda. Measure 2, 1 E enda, 2, 3, and 4 E enda. Measure 3, 1 and 2 and 3 E enda, 4 E enda. And the final measure, 1 E enda, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. How many of you think that you can get it? Give me a thumbs up if you think you've nailed these 4 rhythm patterns. All right, I'm counting on you guys. Can we do it all together? All right, let's do it. So we'll do the syllables first, just to make it easier. Okay? 1 and 2, you've got this, go. 1, oh shoot, I was doing the counts. My bad. Syllables, 1, 2, ta is first. Ta, ti, teary, 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 ta, ti, teary, teary, ti, teary, 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 ta, ti, ta. Woo, woo. Did you get it right? All right. It is fast. I'm telling you, those 16th note makes it like a lot of notes in one sound. So we'll go a little slower this time. And we'll see how it goes. All right. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E. Do you want to do the counts? Let's do the counts. Okay. Counts are more fun, I think. 1 and 2 and ready and say it. 1, 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2, 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2, 3 and 4. Awesome! You guys are rock stars. Woo, 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 woo. So, I want you to understand that each one of these little beats is one beat. Each of these rhythm patterns. So we have 4 16th notes equal 1 beat, 2 8th notes equal 1 beat, 1 quarter note equals 1 beat. Hopefully now, after this little lesson on 16th notes, you get that each of these is 1 beat. So, hopefully the next time, you'll just know it and we won't have to explain it. Great job today, guys, on our 16th note tutorial. Woo, 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 woo. Have a great day.